So guys, I want to make some serious confession, right? I know it's crazy, but I have to do this. I use ChatGPT for free. I watch Netflix for free. I use TradingView. For those of you traders who know about TradingView, I use TradingView for free. I use Spotify for free, and I also use Amazon Prime for free. Basically, I barely pay for them. Let me explain and let me show you how I do it. I know what must be going through your mind right now, that hey, is Eko doing something illegal? No, nothing illegal here, right? But hey, I use a crypto card, right? Basically, I use the Bybit card, right? And yes, how it works. Anytime I spend money online or offline, I get a cashback. So for those of you who don't know about cashback, basically or generally, cashback simply means whenever you spend your money on a particular product or using a particular service, they give you a percentage of how much you spent, right? So for example, if a company is offering a cashback of, let's say, 10% on a car sale, when you pay for the car, they give you 10% of how much you spent on it. So basically, cashback is getting some of what you spent back, all right? And for what I get with Bybit, it's not that small, right? I get about 2% to 10% cashback whenever I use their card, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting. I know this is where you will so much be interested, right? For subscriptions like ChatGPT, Netflix, Spotify, TradingView, and Amazon Prime, I get about 100% cashback. I mean, I get up to 100% cashback. I've been always getting that, right? So whenever I pay for ChatGPT or any of these services, I get back everything that I spent, right? I pay first and then I get the money back, which means basically I'm using these services for free. Now let me show you something on my phone, right? This is how much I've earned back so far as a cashback from using this card, right? That is a whooping over $150. That is crazy for just using the cards to shop my shopping at AliExpress, Alibaba, Pidodo, 1668, or any other, paying for my subscriptions and all that. Just by doing that, using something that I use or doing my own shopping, I got this cashback. So for you or for others, it can be groceries, subscriptions for everyday payments, basically just by using your card, right? And the best part is that you can use this card anywhere in the world, right? For online stores and physical shops, all right? Even if you travel, if you want to book for your travel, you can use this card as normal as your Visa or your MasterCard. And the interesting part is you can top up instantly with crypto, all right? So for me, I just transfer some USDT on the card and I start shopping. Basically, I start using the card, right? If I have some USDT on it, just like that, all right? And I've realized that their FX is extremely low, very low internationally, okay? Because I've used it in one of my travels and basically it was low and getting also cash back for whatever you spend there, right? Now, if you want to start, here's what to do. You have to apply for the card, all right? So I've added my link in the bio. You can just click on the link on my bio, click on my website. Okay, if you're watching on YouTube, it's somewhere in the subscription. If you're watching on TikTok or Instagram, you can check out my website. It's in my bio. You tap on it, that's ecoreal.com. You tap on it and then you choose Bybit. Okay, you see Bybit, I think it will be the first or second or third. Just look at Bybit, tap on it. I think then you tap on get card, right? The registration is simple. But if you are finding any difficulty, all you need to do is to comment in the comment section. Or if you want me to walk you through how to get your card, just DM me. I'll walk you through for free, all right? I'll walk you through for free. Just come or slide into my DM or let me know in the comment section. If only you did this for me, you share this video, you like this video, and you follow me. Just like that's all that it takes, okay? Make sure you do this and then slide to my DM and I'll guide you. I'll walk you through how to get your card, all right? But before I go, just know that they are in tiers, right? You have the tier 1 and tier 2. I'm currently on the tier 2. That is what enables me to enjoy all these subscriptions for free. And also know that this is not a financial advice. This is nowhere financial advice. It's just what is working for me that I am sharing with you, okay? It's not a paid promotion. I'm not being paid to do this. I'm just letting you know what I'm enjoying. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.